Alright, today I'm going to show you guys a program called FreePhoneLine, and it's Canadian, and you get a Canadian number, and you can only call Canadian numbers, but you can use it anywhere in the world. So just head over to FreePhoneLine.ca, sign up, and fill out this, right? Fill it out. Do your thing, go to your email, and open up and write down the PIN. So if yours was 444, just write down 444 on a sticky note on the computer or on a piece of paper. Then go to sorry, I'm just having a brain fart here. Go to FreePhoneLine.ca, go to account login, and click call me now, and it'll call you on your phone, the phone number that you provided. So I provided my iPhone number, and it said please type in your PIN, and I typed in my PIN, and then it said your PIN was accepted, and then all you have to do is download the program by going to downloads and downloading the program for your particular platform. And yeah, so the next thing is open up FreePhoneLine, sign in with your email and password. So just hit login. Okay. 17788034705 is my number, and I will call that number right now to show you that it works. 778-803-4705. Right, I'm calling it from my iPhone. So I've got an incoming call here. I'll let you hear the answering machine instead of accepting the call, because I'm missing my number. So.
The person you are trying to reach is not available. Please leave a message.
Alright, you can hear the message machine here, that it does work. And thanks for watching my video here, and goodbye.